Binance coin has exit around $668 and it's still increasing. It is the best time to join and also make huge earnings. I'm most likely to show you just how to do that completely cost-free. Hello guys, we are back with a brand new way to earn a very promising cryptocurrency free of charge. Now everybody heard of Bitcoin. While it's still lucrative, some altcoins could produce 10 times the profit of what Bitcoin is capable of today. Binance is among them. But with this approach, you can make hundreds of dollars in just a couple of days and tens of thousands and even a lot more in the long run. This technique is available all around the world and it is just a few months old. So it's assured to work through 2021. But ensure not to skip any step in this video because if you do, there is a high risk that you may miss out on a crucial step that will certainly make you profit and a lot of earnings. If you discover this by the genius, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel as well. So you won't miss out on any technique that could make you thousands as well as thousands of dollars every single month. So without any further trouble, we are going to jump into the step number 1. So in step number 1, I desire you to come on to unmineable.com. Currently, unmineable.com is most likely to be the website that we will be using in this particular process. Unmineable is a fantastic website though, which you can mine your favorite cryptocurrency properties for absolutely free. So generally, if you intend to enter Ethereum or Bitcoin but you missed out on your opportunity, well then you can use this website to mine other cryptocurrencies that are not high now, that you can mine quickly on your computer. So over right here we can see that they take 1% mining fee from all coins and gain passive rewards and get a reduced cost by using their referral system. That is entirely outstanding and truthfully I don't know why most people don't do it. So over here we can see that we can mine if utilizing this website. You can mine BitTorrent using this website. You can mine Icon, Clever, Sushi, Uniswap. After that, you also have some even more popular coins like Dash. We have Bitcoin Cash. We have Bitcoin itself. We have Tron. Like all these currencies are truly rising today. And we also have Monero. Monero is rising like crazy nowadays, so that it would certainly be outstanding if you had some Monero on your hands. If you scroll up, you can see that we have a scratch bar over here. What I want to do over here is that merely type in BNB. Currently, when you type in BNB, you will be able to see the Binance coin. Now click on it, and also over right here, you will certainly have the ability to see all the information about this specific cryptocurrency. Over below, you have several points. We are most likely to begin from the beginning. If you wish to mine it utilizing your GPU, if you have a huge computer system with a massive graphic card, you need to choose Ethos because that will use your graphic card's output power and make you the coin itself. After that, we additionally have ETHChess, we have RandomX, we have a Cowpaw. If you have a pre-built PC, you are unsure concerning the spaces, you are not sure if it has a graphic card or not, well, then what I desire to you to do is click RandomX or Cowpaw. Now, these two choices are only utilized if you don't recognize how powerful your computer is. However, if you realize your computer system is a beast, choose Ethos or ETHChess. When you have done that, scroll down and over here, you will undoubtedly be able to see your BNB address and your BNB referral code worker. So, you will certainly have to sign up on Binance.co. Once you sign up, this website is going to start mining for you. So over here, we can see if our Ethos rate is 1, we can make 0.0002184 BNB per day. But if it was like 12,000, well, we can make a crazy quantity of BNB per day. Now, this is outstanding. The very best part is that this is absolutely new, like people are not using this a lot. So to start, what you are going to do is that merely click on download any Ethash compatible mining software like IO Miner. Unzip it and run it from your terminal like this, and after that begin mining. Now I understand people directly who have been using this website and have been getting crazy results over here. They additionally have an excellent referral code. Now, this is an approach that not a lot of people speak about, actually frequently. If you wish to earn like Binance, but you don't want to mine, what you can do is get your referral code from this internet site. Share it in Facebook groups with your friends and family, on WhatsApp or generally Messenger, whichever social media platform you like. Then, when they certainly sign up on Binance.com, you will be making money for simply the reality that you referred them. That is so simple. If you are mining to exchange or need to set an MMO like these are some complex terms, you don't want to get into them now. So click start and after that click on the address. So over here I want you to put in your BNB address currently to get your BNB to address. What I desire you to do is to go to Binance.com as well as over below sign up. Once you certainly sign up, you will certainly have the ability to get your BNB address and after that all your earnings will be stored on Binance.gov. This website is completely legit as well as completely safe. They have been trading for a very long amount of time. Honestly, they have traded over hundreds and also hundreds of thousands, if not billions of dollars. So you can definitely depend on this website on your own and make one of the most from it. So what are you waiting on? Simply go out there as well as do it. And again, once you have your BNB address, paste it over right here. Click search and you can begin your mining journey. Now, I'm most likely to tell you a bit more about exactly how their more program works. If you were to refer to this website, you can gain passively 0.25 of whatever your referral earnings. If your referral gains $5,000, well, after that, you can get $1,500 for yourself for definitely free for just the fact that you referred them. It is absolutely impressive what an easy referral program can do, and not many huge websites provide this. Only a couple of episodes offer such a deal since people with connection legit make a lot of money with these referral programs. Now, they would certainly additionally provide you a 0.25% fee decrease since you are referring people, and it's a win-win for all. Now click download and over here select whichever operating system you are running on and whichever version you prefer. From over here choose whichever operating system you are working on and which version you want. I would certainly suggest that you get the version on the left side. Merely download it onto your computer, set it up as well as you are all set. After that, follow the instructions they have on their website and you will be all set. You won't require to Google or search for anything else. Now you have to wonder if we can't mine any other coin other than BNB, like we wish to mine either if you intend to mine Dash. Well, you can absolutely mine those coins as well, but BNB is the best bang for your time right now because the way it's rising is insane. All the stock experts are calling BNB the future of Bitcoin. So this is definitely a perfect time to enter BNB because truthfully, when the rate goes up, everyone will regret not mining BNB. So it is outstanding if you might mine BNB now and also not waste time. You could certainly mine whatever you desire, but you want to make the most profit. When a lot is going on in times of COVID, people are losing so many things. So for you to actually go out and also do this method is going to be remarkably well. As you need to certainly invest the time and the consistency required now, an additional outstanding way to get more clicks. Your free web link is by just taking place to Google typing cryptocurrency forums currently. Once you type in this, it will open up the very first 25 forums and after that merely send your referral link out to each of them. Just type in something like if you wish to get the very best cryptocurrency users on this website and then send your referral web link out with them. At the very least, several thousand people will sign up and you will certainly be earning money and passive income, especially all on autopilot. How was the video? If this video helped you out, ensure that you hit that like button, subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the following video.